This week on the Africa Innovation and Technology channel, we are featuring a Malawian student who has made his own television station, and Twinkle Industries Limited, a Ugandan startup that is taking on soap and laundry detergent manufacturers in the country. Hello, I'm Paul Ndiho. Every week, we strive to bring you stories that inspire, empower, engage, and motivate young African innovators using new technology into action. Innovation is happening across Africa in all different sectors, from education to energy, banking to agriculture, and in television broadcasting. Chisomo, Daka, a university student at the University of Malawi's Chancellor College, has created his own community television station called Analog TV Project, one that he hopes will transmit all social events that are taking place on campus. But the young entrepreneur is still struggling to get a television broadcast license. Well, to put this into perspective for some of you, a television license is an official record of payment required in many countries for the reception of television broadcasts or for the purposes of allowing TV broadcasters to transmit television programs without all supplemental funding from television advertisements. Despite these challenges, Chisomo Daka is determined to make his mark in the television broadcasting industry.
I'm good. How about you?
Good. What's your name? Chisomo Daka is a student at the University of Malawi's Chancellor College. He is pursuing a degree in education science and he's trying to make his mark in the television broadcasting industry. By his own admission, he says that he's not an engineer by training, nor does he claim to know much about engineering. But his love and passion for telecommunications has inspired him to build from scratch a community television station codenamed Analog TV Project.
What I'm trying to do here is trying to transmit television throughout the campus. Okay, of late we have a need to transmit television. We would want to broadcast whatever students have, whatever technologies, whatever projects, or whether it's drama, whatever social issues happening.
Before his first broadcast test signal, he was just a normal student, and few students knew about his innovation. Today, Chisomo Daka has created a name for himself as the new kid on the block. His community TV station is a hit on campus, and everybody is talking about him. He says operating out of the norm is what drove him to be innovative.
I've had so much interest in telecommunications. Particularly, I've been working so much on audio transmission, and I also happen to have developed a wireless mic. I also happen to have developed a small-scale radio station. All right. So now I was looking at it as not just that. All right. So I wanted to do much further than that. So now I thought of how do I then come with a video and audio transmission, more like a television transmission.
Daka is definitely one of the few young talented Malawians are focused on changing the image of his beloved country. He argues that more and more viewers are asking for more content that reflects their realities, a quality that he says has been lacking in Malawi.
So I'm using a stabilized power supply to power my transmitter. This is my transmitter, and on this transmitter I have a knob. I have a jack where I put in my transmitting antenna. So this goes to the transmitting antenna, which you see here. So this is what transmits whatever signal is being produced by the transmitter. And on the other hand, when the signal has been transmitted, I have a receiving antenna, which I also designed. This one, it's a Z antenna. This is actually connected to the client's television for the purposes of capturing the signal which is being transmitted.
Television broadcasting is booming across the continent, and young innovators are leading the way. But
So
the
we
industry
have,
is
it's
not
more like
without
a
its
manufacturer.
challenges.
Let's say you have
Students at Malawi University Chancellor
many more
College hope
AVs.
that
Okay,
Daka's
so
analog
it means that
TV
I can
project
so this is
will
actually
support
where
teaching
everything is
and
being
e-learning by
experimented.
broadcasting
So
course
we
content
are
for e-learning,
experimenting on
by recording lectures, conference speakers, fine arts performances, and special events on campus.
Yeah, this is the Great Hall. We call it the Great Hall.
Still to come on the Africa Innovation and Technology channel, Twinkle Industries, a Ugandan startup that is taking on soap and laundry detergent manufacturers in the country. We'll take a short break, but before we go, we want to know what you think about the Africa Innovation and Technology channel and the stories we cover. Join the conversation on Twitter and on Facebook. The address is Africa Innovations and Technology. You can also check us out on our YouTube channel. Welcome back to the Africa Innovation and Technology channel, a show where we strive to bring you stories that inspire, empower, engage, and motivate young African innovators using new technology into action. This week, we are talking about a Malawian student who has made his own community television station, and Twinkle Industries, a Ugandan startup giving other soap and laundry detergent manufacturers a run for their money. Last summer, when US President Barack Obama's initiative, the Mandela Washington Fellowship, brought 500 of Africa's brightest minds to America to study, learn new skills, network, and return home with new experiences. Since returning to Uganda, Martin Mugabi, one of the fellows, has taken his startup cleaning products manufacturing company to new heights. I met up with him recently on his own turf in Kampala, Uganda. He told me that making your own laundry soap isn't hard, but you have to set aside a little time. And it's not the time that it takes to measure or mixing anything either. That's the quickest part. But it's the time for gratting the soap. Well, let's see what Twinkle Industries is all about.
We are just going to shape it into...
It's been said that necessity is the mother of invention. It's likely that Martin Mugabi thought about that when he started his Kampala-based business, Twinkle Industries, a cleaning products manufacturing company. When Mugabi found that many chemical soaps irritated his sensitive skin, he began making his own soap and laundry detergent, free from local materials and palm oil products. His product line consists of home care products, multi-purpose liquid soap that can be used for general purpose cleaning at home.
It's a super laundry detergent that has been manufactured to save people money and time. When you use it for clothes, you don't need bar soap like many people do here. You don't even need powder soap. You just put the liquid formula we have developed in your water. You mix it up properly. Put your clothes, you don't need to soak. You wash your clothes and it comes out clean.
Regarding his own technical knowledge of the soap making process, Mugabi admits he doesn't have any background in organic chemistry, which making soap requires, but he certainly does now.
It can be used to clean like your dishes at home, garments, it can clean the floors, it can wash your car, clean windows, general purpose cleaning in the household.
His products can be found in shops across Kampala and its surrounding areas.
So we have tried as much as possible to produce products that will not only give them value in terms of making them feel nice, cleaning them, or making their skins look nice, but protecting them from disease-causing germs. And I think that's where we give value to our customers.
Namanya Ismail runs one of the stores that sells Mugabi's products. You get any complaints from customers?
Apparently no, and the customers who have already bought, they don't say anything about the product.
For a rising firm like Twinkle Industries, developing soaps and detergents can be a perfect business opportunity if you have the right formula and equipment to manufacture the products. Midred Awili is the company chemist.
Before we took it to the market, we had to make sure the product was tested and it passed all the necessary tests.
Twinkle Industry has been praised by the local community leaders. Faizo Kibirige is the chairman of the village.
For us as a community, if a youth like this gentleman starts creating a job, in fact he created a job, now he gave other jobs. Now we have about 4 workers, and the other things, people who have small shops, they come and buy the commodity from here and take the shop, and it is not expensive according if you compare with other prices.
Jingo Ismail is a youth leader and a teacher at Sauda Junior Academy. He says that his school uses Twinkle products for general cleaning.
For example, like this is youth, innovative youth you have just seen with his products. You see, he has tried to bring services nearer to people around the community. And people have proved that it's their quality.
Martin Mugabi also has other business pursuits. He is a farmer, and that business provides seasonal employment to women and prisoners on work detail in the northeastern part of Uganda. On that note, do you think you have a better idea, or you have created something that everyone is talking about and you'd like to be featured on the show? Please send us your video clips and tell us which country you're from and how your innovation is impacting your community. That's our show today. Be sure to watch the Africa Innovation and Technology channel online every weekend. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you next week. For now, so long from Washington.